In this tutorial, you will learn how to pile weave. Pile weave is created by looping weft yarns around a rod in the warp. You can experiment in number and length in creating the loops. These loops can create texture and a focal point in your piece. Before starting, weave a few rows of plain weave to create a base for the pattern. Loosely weave a row of plain weave in the new desired color. Insert the rod gently between the first section of the warp. With the turning motion, loop the yarn with the rod. Continue this until the last warp yarn in the section. It's important to keep the yarn really loose. I found that when the yarn is too tight between the warp yarns, it can be difficult to loop the rod between the yarns. So just keep the new yarn loose and it will help the rod move a bit easier. As you continue to add more and more loops to the rod, it can be a bit difficult to rotate it and loop it around each warp yarn. Therefore, you might need to use your hands to help the rod move between each yarn. Once you're finished looping all the yarns, keep the rod in place. It will hold the yarns until you've secured it with the plain weave. In this example, I'm only weaving one row of pile weave, and then 2 rows of plain weave to secure the loops. Once the loops are secured, remove the rod. In this second example, I'll show you how to weave 2 rows or more of pile weave. First, start by weaving a row of plain weave. With one rod, loop the yarns. When you're finished, weave another row of plain weave. With a second rod, loop the yarns again. Once the yarns are looped around the rod, secure them with 2 rows of plain weave. If you wish to add more rows of pile weave, then continue this pattern. Every 2 to 3 rows of pile weave, remove the rods and secure the loops with 2 to 3 rows of plain weave. Pile weaves can add texture and character to your weaving. Try experimenting with using different kinds of yarns and the lengths of the yarn. If you want to learn how to make other textures and patterns, then stay tuned for the next videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.